Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use promotional tools on eBay. So to do that we will need to use our browser. So open your preferred browsing system and search for Seller Hub eBay, and open this official website of eBay, Seller Hub. So here you see that Seller Hub is divided into several sections, and we need this More and Marketing section. So here you see this blue button, Create Discount, and here you see different types of discounts such as coupon, order discount, sale event, shipping discount, and volume pricing. For example, for sale event, you can select items or categories you want to discount. Simply set the percentage off and add a start and end date. For coupons, tap to create a custom code buyers can use at checkout. So choose a discount type, set usage limits of this coupon, and share it via messages or social media. So this is the types of discounts you can offer to your buyers. And one more thing, when opening your eBay and go into your active listings, but I don't have any active listings, so I will just use my draft. A very useful thing is promoted listings. So promoted listings, here it is, promote your listing. So this is the tool that can boost your visibility. So here you can see help your listing stand out and sell. Choose the percentage of the total sale amount you're willing to spend on ads, and pay only when your promoted items sell. And here you can choose your ad rate. So yeah, I think that's all for how to use promotional tools on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.